Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kushel. To be back to the price code, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. All my social media in the description down below. For today's video, we're going to be doing a Q&A mukbang, a mukbang Q&A. And today I have my older sister,
Tiani,
and my little brother,
Aiden.
me asking questions, and we have Domino's pizza, pineapple.
so we have a half pan pizza with pineapple and ham, and a regular pizza with pepperoni and barbecue chicken. And
then we
cheesy
have
bread.
cheesy bread. Yeah. And Coke. Okay. Let's start. Have you ever met someone famous?
With
No.
what order are we going? Yeah. I met 3 songs. Your age is showing. I met others I just can't remember right now.
I met Citizen John. He used to live by me in Ottawa. She's also. Oh, I shouldn't say it now.
I met nobody.
I've met Neo. I've met 3 songs. I've
Neo?
met.
I've, I've never met someone.
I've met others I just can't remember right now.
Like, do you hear the music?
Background music.
Would you like to be famous?
Nope.
Nope.
Yes. If you change one thing that happened, what would it be?
If I could change one thing that happened
In your life?
like if I could change one thing from the past,
Yeah.
I would save money from school. Like just stop saving, because adulting is trash.
Oh, the friends I picked. Even though that's supposed to be a part of life, you know? Seeing who the bad friends are.
No paying attention in grade 5. I got me a D.
Have you ever been in the snow?
No.
No.
No. Daya.
Do you still have your childhood teddy bear?
Yes, you do. Yes.
She does. What's his name?
Teddy.
I have Elmo.
I do not have a teddy bear.
Wow, the youngest one. And
Yikes.
how many pairs of shoes do you have?
How many pairs?
I don't know.
How many?
One.
Like a number?
How many pairs? Yeah.
I don't know. Over 10.
Okay, I probably have over 10, but I only have like about 4 that I use.
One.
And I have more.
You have slippers. Just so
Don't worry about that.
Is that your mommy?
No,
Miguel.
Miguel.
Favorite holiday: beach, mountain, or city?
What?
Like favorite vacation. Not.
Oh, I think that's what it
holiday.
means.
Bro.
Vacation.
Favorite vacation? I live on the beach, so the mountain or the city. More the city than the mountain, because city girl.
I say it's either beach or city, because like I would love to go to New York, but like at the same time doing like a beach like a vacation.
But I mean, I live on the beach, so it's not like it's wow. I mean, I would, but like,
Yeah.
Beach. I used to live on the beach now. I don't live near the beach.
What's your opinion on reality TV shows?
I love it.
Same.
Trash TV is my fave.
Never watched one.
Oh, do you like scary movies?
Can we watch one tonight?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't, but no. Okay, I like them, but I'm afraid of them.
I like them, but what she said.
Just edit that out. Edit that out.
Get out of there.
Oh shut. Leave it in. Just give me a second. Oh shut. I'm leaving.
Leave that to.
We good? Oh shit. Yeah, we Gucci, man.
Oh, you're good. My fair.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to be eating.
I done messed up the vibe. I'm sorry.
Beep. That's what we're
We're gonna eat now. Pepperoni, my favorite.
The way I said was a mukbang, but I didn't even eat this one talking.
I was eating that one time. I don't know.
Really? Have you ever cried
Yes.
at like while watching a movie?
Yes.
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 I cried while watching TikToks. I cried while watching an ad.
What?
What?
I'm a crying baby.
You're 23!
I still have a teddy bear.
That's true.
True.
No
Okay.
time.
Did you get along as children?
Well, did you all get along as children? Because
Yeah.
from you all know me, I grown.
Now I'm older, I find him annoying a little bit. When we were younger, I didn't find him annoying.
I find them both annoying.
My
But I
brother,
like you.
I find him annoying. He told
What is your best childhood memory of your sibling? We have another sibling, by the way.
Of which sibling?
so,
You would be. I remember going to Marisol to pick you up, and you had an Elmo,
I
which
still have
apparently
him.
you still have. Aiden, I remember the night you came from the hospital.
oh,
You came here.
I hated that day.
no,
that was 9 years
no, like when you were born.
When I was 4 or 6, like so sick,
Yeah, I know.
Dad put 9 needles everywhere.
Yeah, it
I
happens.
I almost died that day.
It
Oh,
happens
that
as
one.
well.
My favorite memory, it's like a bad memory, it's like something I remember right now, is when we almost got killed because we went looking for Mama's workplace and the
Oh, they
Chinese
held a
store.
knife up. They were shooting. They were robbing the Chinese store.
Did you
Yeah, and then
run?
the man came on and was like, don't look. He's outside.
Don't look.
Don't look.
Before the man see, we see him, and then he was like,
Pop,
now I have
pop.
to kill them because they don't see me. I was young.
Did you
I had a
run?
life to live. We didn't run.
And
We
you said
just
something about being beautiful. Yeah, like, and I started crying and Tiani like until like don't cry. Anyways, if Aiden,
crying is for
Aiden, I think. Oh gosh, yeah, we have so many. It's probably when like we always used to go by Nanny for your birthdays, like you, Sarek, hey, you, Ethan, and Chloe.
My memory of Tiani is. Oh yeah, for Ziran's birthday, you pinch him. That was like 5 years ago.
your memory of me is hurting somebody.
Yeah.
Nice.
The memory of Kosha, it's on YouTube. Number fans channel. He of the memory of us dancing on the church. Chloe was there. He didn't remember.
No.
Well, I remember. I don't have the video, but I remember.
This what is your favorite thing about your sibling?
You what?
Somebody else?
Papa?
Nothing. I hate her both. I'm just joking.
Emotional damage.
Oh.
You because you're relatable and you're young, but you're so young. You because you're funny.
Thank you.
The same thing for Tiani because we're relatable so many ways. Aiden is he's funny. How did you?
No said the same thing. You just put me off funny. You because you're fun. Like you're very fun to come by. Tiani, you're very fun to come by. You love hanging out here. You because
Oh, well, because she's my role model. That's another thing.
That's pressure.
you because you just a sibling that treats me normal and like people and
Describe your sibling in 3 words or less. Describe your sibling in 3 words or less.
Jack.
Because of the plural thing.
I don't know what?
Let's not even talk about it.
What she said?
The camera's picture you that's okay. You? I don't know, sweet girl.
Okay. Fun, relatable, adult baby. What are you wanting to? Like, that's not true. You, funny, annoying, cute.
Ah.
You?
Hungry?
Hungry?
Wow.
Tiny belly.
Oh, that's true. After you, look at freak.
I'm so fat. Man, that's crazy.
You, lovable, fun, and enjoyable.
Okay. Best at keeping a secret.
It depends. Secrets like gifts and stuff, like what? Jokey, I tell my boyfriend everything, so if you think you told me a secret, he knows too.
In fact, Tiani, good at keeping this, but at the same time, you should ask you if you want to know. If you say yes, you should probably tell you. I have the piece that.
Do you have nicknames for each other?
Yes, definitely.
Oh my gosh, yes, we do. Okay.
Kushal is black flamingo.
Listen, wait, let them start. I started it, by the way. We were in the vehicle. Like, it was Aiden, my father, and I were in the vehicle. And I called my father White Lape. And then we just gave each other names. Lape means, if you don't know, Lape means bunny, private, bunny, whatever. And I don't know.
That's why.
I know. Okay.
Her name
No,
is.
say yours.
Oh, my name is Indian Duck.
I'm Black Flamingo. And Tiani doesn't have a name yet. But does she?
No.
Let's leave it so the names you have.
Aiden named Tiani something once, but it was rude.
Yeah, it was rude.
It was something about pig.
Fat pig.
Oh yeah, that's what it was. Rude.
Who always has the messiest room?
No, Tiani.
My room is only messy because y'all come. When you came, my room was clean.
Not this time.
Every
But,
time?
sometimes
No,
before,
because
no.
Yeah.
Sometimes when I reach, you have like dishes all over your room.
that's not messy, that's dishes. And then I take it out and then the room is clean. So I disagree. Yeah, Aiden, I think it's you.
I don't have a room. I have a room, but I don't sleep
Yes,
in it.
you do. Yeah,
I don't
tell you
sleep
to,
in it
but you
at
like sleep
all.
with your father.
Yeah, as a father boy. For sure. The room always messy.
Yeah, but I clean it every night.
Who would you guess is your sibling? What would you guess is your sibling's dream job?
Even when they stuck in
Oh, me? Kushal's dream job.
I always say this. So my dream job.
A YouTuber.
Oh yeah, that's wait, no?
A YouTuber,
Same thing as my mother.
a dancer, an accountant.
No,
You want to
dream
be an
job.
accountant? Your dream job is an accountant. What kind of accountant? A TikTok accountant, or like a regular accountant?
Okay, have you ever watched? It's a show on Netflix. These three girls and they work at the same place.
They're accountants.
Bold face. Bold face.
Bold type.
Okay, bold type, right? I want to like work somewhere there, but I can't.
They're not accountants.
I know, but every place is an accountant, right? I want to work somewhere like that, but as an accountant.
Bro,
I'm looking at a big place, but as an accountant.
that's sad, you know.
I've never heard somebody say, you know what, in life, I want to be
I
an
don't do like
accountant.
dream job. I don't know what my dream job is yet.
Like a regular accountant or a TikTok accountant.
Oh my.
You don't know what's a TikTok accountant? Intermission.
Stripper? Stripper. No, Tiani. I don't want to be a stripper. Oh.
She wants to be an accountant, yo.
No. That's my dream job, but that's like the job like I want. That's my dream. I don't know what my dream job is.
Yeah, I'm not telling nobody my dream job. My sister's dream job is an accountant.
My dream job is, I don't know yet.
Since we can now see what our big bellies. Except Aiden. Because he doesn't have one.
Shut up.
I woke up Saturday.
Which of you is the laziest?
More.
You sure about that? I'm really lazy. If you want me to call my mommy, I'm Tiani. Tiani.
I have 10 years more years of practice than you. I guarantee
Yes,
you.
but I'm
I'm
really
You are
lazy.
dancer.
You guys thought you never told your parents.
I have quite a few up my sleeve. Trying to think of some.
What?
I'm going here and I wasn't there. I don't usually lie, you know.
My mommy knows I lie sometimes.
I
this
didn't
point-
drink tonight, mommy.
I just don't lie. Do you like dogs or cats? What?
That's one. Cats.
Cats.
Kitchen.
Doggos!
What's the better dancer?
You literally a dancer.
What is the age gap between you and your siblings? 8 and I, 2, 10 and I, 10, 10 and Aiden, 12. What's an odd habit of your brother and slash sister? Start Aiden. Like I said, we have another brother.
Your habit is I don't really hang with you guys. I don't know your habit. So.
You are not with me money, I want to see anything like.
Yeah, but I barely hang. I hang with you, but barely.
I don't know habits either.
Oh yeah. Sometimes it's just about daydreaming.
Everybody does that here.
You talk or you like
I do.
you talk a lot. That's
You
not.
too.
No, not like you. Not like you, Christian. You very bad. That's a habit. Isn't that right, Yanni?
Yes.
No, it was not.
Yes.
Yes.
Tomorrow winter.
Oh. Summer.
Summer.
I've never experienced winter for me to tell you.
Same. What's any of your favorite restaurants? Interesting.
La Mesa in the Medina and Ritual Sushi in the Medina.
Napoli. No, what's the name? Now Amici. It used to be Napoli pizza and pink papaya. That's my favorite spot.
Sports?
Like it's always an Italian restaurant. I think it's an Italian restaurant spot. And I like all of them. Amici is not the greatest out of Napoli pizza and pink papaya, but I mean, it's going. Oh. And a restaurant at Morgan Bay, a hotel. St. James Club. They have like 4 restaurants or 3 restaurants. Who is Daddy's sweetheart? You don't know? Where you at?
I live with him.
Among you both, who avoids taking bath?
What? Problem? I don't have a bathroom.
Aiden.
Yeah.
Aiden. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want more videos. Yeah.
Bye guys. Love you
Bye.
guys. Have a good day or night.